everybody, you are getting ready to watch the Baggie activity that we're actually going to do in class. And so for those of you who are absent or those of you that would like to watch this again, here is the video. And so what you're going to do in the Baggie activity is you're going to take a Ziploc bag and you are going to put some chemicals in here and observe the indicators of a chemical reaction. In other words, you're going to physically be able to see with your eyes the indications that chemistry is happening. And so again, I'm going to take a Ziploc bag, and to one side of the Ziploc bag, I'm going to add a scoop of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. I'm also going to, in the other corner, keeping them separate, add a scoop or so of calcium chloride. So I'm going to kind of keep my finger here to keep them separate. So again, baking soda in one side and calcium chloride in the other. And basically at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a pH indicator called phenol red. It is red naturally. When you see it come out of the pipette here, you can see that it's red in color. And I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of squirts to each side of the Ziploc bag. Again, I'm still going to try to keep these separate. As soon as I add the phenol red to each side of the bag, I'm going to do my best to seal the bag to trap everything inside. Adding it to the other side now. Okay, so right now I have both chemicals on either side with phenol red. I'm going to go ahead and seal the bag. All right, and take a look. When I mix these two together, you're going to see some stuff starting to happen, and you can kind of already see it right now. But I'm going to go ahead and mix them. And right now, look at the color change that's occurring. I'm not sure if you can pick this up on the screen, but do you see all that bubbling happening? And I'm hopefully trapping the air bubbles in this sealed bag. Make sure it's sealed here. I also notice, and you can't tell this from the screen, but with my hand, I'm noticing on the side with the baking soda that it feels cold to the touch. I come over here to the side of calcium chloride, and as I'm feeling the bag, I notice that it feels hot or warm to the touch. So right now at this point, the red phenol indicator has changed color. So it's changed from red to yellow. So that is one sign of a chemical reaction. I've also seen the production of gas. That's the second sign that a chemical reaction is taking place. I also felt with my hands a temperature change. That's the third sign that a chemical reaction is happening. And lastly, it's going to be hard to see, but once this reaction proceeds, I'm going to actually get a formation of a solid, a new solid that wasn't there to begin with. And so in this Baggie activity, you're able to see and witness the 4 different indicators of a chemical reaction. Thank you so much for watching.